Today, we'll learn how to create a blur to focus effect, a great way to add a cinematic touch to your video intros or transitions. Let's get started. Begin by importing your clip into the timeline. Once it's in place, head over to the effects library and search for the blur dissolve transition. Drag and drop the blur dissolve transition to the beginning of your clip. This will create the blur to focus effect as your clip starts playing. To customize the effect, click on the transition in the timeline and open the inspector panel on the top right. Set the vertical strength and horizontal strength to around 0.5. This adds a smooth blur to the beginning of the clip. Also set the start ratio value to 100. To control how quickly the effect transitions from blur to focus, simply drag the edges of the transition in the timeline to adjust its duration. Play the clip to preview the effect and you'll see the smooth transition from blur to focus that gives your video a polished and professional look. And that's it. You've mastered the blur to focus effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more video editing tips.